Did you realise that your boiler may not be working at the 90% efficiency the manufacturer promised? With a simple test, we found out that a boiler was actually working at 60% efficiency. On an energy bill of 10 million lari per year, that meant 3 million lari were going straight up the chimney. With a simple energy audit, you can find out how efficient your equipment really is and what you need to do to save money and become more competitive. It can be difficult to work out just how much energy gets wasted, where and what to do about it. That's why many companies now turn to special energy auditors to work out how they could save energy and whether the savings are enough to pay for new investments. But what is an energy audit? An energy audit is a visit to a factory by engineers to see how the factory could improve its use of energy. After the visit, the engineers make recommendations which help the firm to make decisions about investments, about how to save energy and how to reduce their costs. Before we visit the factory, they get a questionnaire so they can collect some of the information we need. These are some of the things we consider when looking for inefficiencies and where we can recommend improvements. Boilers and turbines, especially if they're old. Pipework, tanks and insulations. All motors, whether for lifts, pumps, ventilation, compressors, assembly lines or conveyor belts. Refrigeration and cooling, lighting, building insulation, windows and doors. We walk around the factory and look for electricity and gas meter readings, temperatures using a remote thermometer, pressure and flow rates using equipment in the factory. We measure electricity, current, voltage and frequency, and flue gas temperatures. We also talk to the operating staff to see how exactly the equipment is used. Sometimes a lot of energy can be saved by turning equipment off when it is not needed, rather than running for a full 24 hours. When we have got all the measurements from the factory and seen the way it works, we go back to the office and calculate the best solutions to save energy. Sometimes there are 2 or 3 different ways to replace equipment. Change the process, change the fuel, change the location of the plant, change the temperature of the steam, and we work out which is the most economical. The Energy Audit Report explains all our findings and makes recommendations which equipment to change and which big investments are suitable for the bank loan. We also make recommendations about measures which are more simple and less costly to implement, which also help, such as improving insulation on pipes and air ducts, reducing steam leaks, mending broken windows and draft stripping them, installing instrumentation and automatic control systems. Finally, we can help our client develop targets for energy improvements and to implement energy management systems. Everyone can benefit from energy efficiency. However, if you are a major consumer and would like to know what you could save, the EBRD has put in place a team of engineers at the Jeep office to help you figure it out. You can contact us at the address on the screen.